I have to say, when I turn the corner and come down right here, my butt cheeks are clenched. So somebody almost cut the cable line, but almost is the key word. So I just, wrapped it up really good with electrical tape. Shouldn't have to revisit it because it didn't break anything, but always get your lines marked. That's what I should have done. Alright, so here's a quick look around our job site. Nathan's not here to film for me today, but we got our little wall built. Got our pathways ready to go. Now I'm putting up just a 2-tier little retaining wall right here. Pull back some of this dirt if it were to rain real heavy in water. Fill that with a little bit of gravel. And then probably gonna put one right on the back side of this little slope here. But alright, since Nathan's not here, we're gonna do some time lapse pieces in with his, see how good it looks. Alright, here's this project finished up. Customer said they were going to get a couple more caps and finish that off. Here's the gravel walkway. She said she was going to move some of this gravel around and make it fit her needs a little better. And then here's that little retaining wall. Put these bricks here to keep any water from flowing down. It's supposed to rain again this week a lot, so turned out pretty nice. Pretty quick one, pretty easy one. We got it done. It was probably about, I'd say it was probably around 16 hours worth of work. Wasn't too bad. We got it done. Nothing's perfect, but they're happy with it. So, all right, let's keep on going. Let's go to the next job. Got the ASV on the trailer. Man, I love having a deck over trailer. Look how much crap I have on here. I'm gonna blow this driveway off. I had to come back and grab those pieces of plywood, but they don't fit with this pallet of, or with all the pallets on here. Yeah, that's a lot of stuff. Can the Ford pull it? Yep, absolutely, no problem. Coffee time.